In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat media upload problem. So if Snapchat is not letting you upload photos or videos from your gallery, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone, and once it opens, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, after that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. And once you're inside settings, just scroll down until you see an option called Clear Cache. If you don't find it, go to My Privacy and Data, then Clear Data, and click on Clear Cache, and click Clear. Once that's done, just fully close the Snapchat app. Now, after closing it, reopen Snapchat again, and once it opens, tap on the downward arrow on the right side of the screen. Now from here, select Director Mode. And once Director Mode opens, tap on the Gallery Plus icon, and now you should be able to upload your media without any issues. Now, if the problem is still not fixed, the next thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure your Snapchat app is fully updated, and then open it again and try uploading your media. And that's it. Your Snapchat media upload problem should now be fixed. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.